Welcome. If you've ever noticed that some comments on your Instagram posts seem to be missing, or you're not seeing everything your followers are saying, it might be because of a feature called hidden words. Instagram uses this to filter out comments that might be offensive or unwanted, but sometimes it hides comments you actually want to see. Today, I'll show you how to disable hidden words and make sure you see all comments on your posts, with the latest steps for 2025. First, grab your phone and open up the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once you're on your home screen, look down to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, look to the top right corner of your profile page and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This will open up a menu with several options. Scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Hidden Words. Tap on it. This section is where Instagram manages filters for comments and messages that might contain words or phrases you've chosen to hide, or that Instagram thinks are inappropriate. Now, you'll see a setting called Hide Comments. If this is turned on, Instagram will automatically filter out comments it thinks are offensive or spammy, even if you want to see them. To show all comments, simply toggle this setting off. The switch should turn from blue to gray, letting you know the filter is now disabled. That's it. You've now disabled hidden words for comments, and you should start seeing all the comments on your posts, just as your followers wrote them. Remember, you can always come back and turn this feature back on if you want to filter comments in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. See you in the next video.